What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? So, this is a quick tutorial on how to change your oil cooler lines. As you can see, I've already taken them out. They're sitting right over there on the ground. So, what you want to do is, there's a plastic tab that sits inside of those on the hose that you have to push in order to release the hose. So this is for underneath. You see your oil filter right there. It's underneath portion. Hold on, I'll show you the plastic tabs you gotta release. And this is what the plastic tabs look like. And you gotta be careful because over time they become weak and brittle. As you can see, that one broke off, and that one kind of did too a little bit. Anyway, this one, the upper actually broke off completely. I had to cut the hose and do a little digging to get it out. Finally got it out, but it was a bitch to get out. So hopefully yours doesn't break. Oh, you also got to take the top parts out. And those are right there. The top. There's another one right down there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Right where my finger's at. So, other than that, pretty simple process. This was the hardest part, only because this one broke. But yeah, how to change your oil transmission cooler line, or how to change your oil cooler lines. Hope this helps somebody out there. And yeah, later.